Yeah.
Tell me about demand. What are you doing in New York? Usually when I see software guys in New York, you're doing deals.
We certainly have a lot of customers out here, and there's also an investor conference, so a lot of stuff going on. It's great to be in New York. Certainly things are kind of feel back to normal. But overall, I think the software market is certainly a dynamic environment right now. There are various pressures happening around the industry. What our focus has been at Box is helping customers with saving money, automating their business, securing their data, and that still has some really strong tailwinds associated with it. So we're really kind of working through this environment in that way.
Break down for me Box's suites, strategy, and larger deals, because this is very different from how you started out.
Yeah.
Kind of the freemium, pick off the enterprise customers one at a time and sneak into the enterprise. Now you're like kicking the doors open.
We're certainly a very different company than those early days, but our whole strategy is we help companies manage their most important information. So this could be their financial data, their contracts, their marketing assets, their new product designs, and we want to help ensure customers can protect that data, be able to drive workflows around it, collaborate on it, get e-signatures on contracts. So anything you want to be able to do with your content, our platform is built for that. So we are now a multi-product platform building out a complete content cloud to help customers with their most important information. We have a multi-product selling strategy in the form of suites that let our customers really kind of get access to all of that technology all at once.
So how much of that is industry and vertical driven versus just going out saying, hey, we've got this horizontal, NetSuite-esque basket of things for you to consume?
Yeah, so I think our technology is very horizontal. So what we get really good at is building a core platform, and then we help tailor that platform in the way that we implement it, the way we bring it to market, in some cases with key partners. So in banking and financial services, we'll help our clients with things like online wealth management for their customers, working on collaboration around that set of documents. In media and entertainment, we'll help with the collaboration of media content. In the federal government, we'll help with citizen engagement and collaborating on mission-critical projects that deal with a lot of documents. So on an industry basis, we get more tailored, but the core platform is fully horizontal.
All that gray hair came over the past 5 years or so. So I want to talk about how the pressure that you were under a year plus ago, similar to the pressure that a lot of other software names are under right now. You dealt with an activist. You've changed some things in your strategy. Now that you've had some distance from it, hopefully you spent some time on the beach as well as working. What are the lessons most relevant to the environment that we're in right now?
Yeah, it's a great point. Activists certainly are a great way to get gray hair, but we have, for us, it was an experience where we were already driving toward growth and profitability, and the activists sort of showed up, as a part of that process, and we decided to double down even further on the profitability side of the story. So the past 2 to 3 years, we have worked, aggressively to ensure that our business is really built for the long run, balancing both growth and profitability.
But how mechanically? Because there are a lot of people who are having to say that now, right? Because either they're private and they're not going to get new capital in anytime soon, or they're public and they're like, okay, the deals are getting smaller. They're getting, the closing of the deal is getting pushed out. We got to conserve. So practically speaking, was it a headcount thing mostly? What did you do?
Yeah, well, there are entire books written on just this topic. So just to give you a couple of the quick tidbits, I mean, first of all, you have to start to look at where are you driving your business most efficiently? What markets are you in that are working? What markets maybe do you need to pull out of? What parts of your product should you double down in? Where should you maybe drive reinvestment? What parts of your marketing and go-to-market programs are working most effectively? So we had to look exhaustively across the business. This is going back 2 years ago, to ensure that we were doubling down in the areas that were most profitable, that were growing fastest, that we could drive most efficiently, and we put our resources really behind those initiatives. We worked aggressively on things like our infrastructure spend. So how do we make sure that we're improving our gross margins? How do we make sure that we're driving, again, the most amount of operational excellence across the business? And ultimately, that's led to now 20+% operating margins throughout this year.
How are you approaching M&A right now?
We're super selective. Our focus is we have a multi-year product roadmap that is all about ensuring that we are building the best platform for managing content in the cloud. And occasionally, if we can accelerate our roadmap through tuck-in acquisitions that are done in a very judicious way, we will do acquisitions where we can tuck in that technology and accelerate our product strategy.
What are you looking for, though? Is it product fit? Primarily, are you looking for customer base and international access when you look at prospects?
Highly focused on the technology and the talent. So we are religiously focused on building the best platform for content, which means that we have to be very selective of the external technology that we bring in and incorporate in that platform. And so we are all about the tech and the talent that we're bringing on. And that allows us to actually be even more selective and surgical in the kind of acquisitions that we pursue.
Great to see you in person here at the NASDAQ. Aaron Levie, the co-founder and CEO of Box. Guys, back to you.